Next
No,
time you
since
settle
she
down,
opened your presents
and you'll
now.
listen
Yeah, now you get to open her present.
That's not.
Enjoy, Zach.
He'll tell you what it is.
I don't know. Maybe I ought to give Zach your present.
No.
Come on, Zach, open it.
Open it,
I
Zach.
want to see what's in there.
Ninja style.
Break it?
Yeah, you break it and you're gonna be crying.
What's Ariel's?
So, oh, okay.
Okay.
No, I didn't say what you said it. You said
Okay. Yeah, you said it. You said it.
It's mine. It's mine.
Let's go straight to E.
I mean,
Bike. You got a bike.
Can I help him open it?
no.
Come here. I don't
It's
know.
just the box from that. If it's one of the another box thingies, I'm going with you. Mad as hell.
No. I'm serious. There's actually something in here.
Oh, that would be funny.
Just
More
more.
we got Ariel too, and then Zach opens the one we got Ariel, and it's all just boxes. That'd be great.
That's a good next year.
Yeah.
No, but that one right there, that
Come
one
on.
was funny. I got my hopes up on my man. When I saw them other cases, and did I really?
Please be very careful with this box.
Are you excited, Ariel? Are we happy? Isn't it fun?
At least I get to keep the present. At least can I help now?
Nope.
Nope.
You'll learn.
What's this? What is this? A forget me stick?
Give it to Ariel. That's her stick. Give her.
Give it to her.
It looks like a Star Wars fighter jet thing.
I know. You know, another one that got me blank.
Careful.
Close your eyes. You don't get to look at her present.
And it hurts.
Merry Christmas, Zach.
Careful.
Go put it here.
You ain't got it. I ain't trusting you.
Is that what you wanted? Zach?
Is it the exact size?
Yeah. 76.
Zach? The next time you fucking snoop underneath that tree, that'll teach you, won't it?
Sneak on what tree?
Snooping under the tree to see which box is bigger because you knew that you wanted to have a keyboard. So you were looking underneath the tree the entire time I was bringing out presents. The next time you do that, you won't get it.
Can I play one tune for Mom and Dad?
You like how big the speakers are?
Okay, Ariel,
Plug your amp in.
the power cord is in my room next to the TV.
Can you please go get it?